These trains are supposed to be getting 18 volts, but instead I undervolted them to 6 volts. You won't believe what they do when I blow the horn and the whistle on these locomotives. Just take a listen. That was so demonic. Let's listen to that again. That sounds absolutely amazing. Oh, darn it. It quit. I'll have to reset that one. But watch what this one does. You can hear on this one the whistle's lower pitched. But when I move it, listen to what it does. Oh my god. Dude, listen to how demonic that sounds. Hey, so let's get a close-up. Listen. Wow. Oh, it gets even better when you put it full speed. Listen. I'm doing the bell. It's not responding. It's just barely responding. Look. Listen to the bell. The crew talk. Oh, it just reset. Alright, let's stop the train. I want to burn out the motor. But wow. Oh my gosh. I'm going to reset them, and this is what they normally sound like. That's what this one normally sounds like. And that's what the whistle normally sounds like on this one. But I thought I'd just do that little shit post because I'm bored. Alright. Thanks for watching.